Welcome to 9746 Mirada Blvd. My name is David Burnham and we're here in the quiet, gated community of Mirada, just 10 minutes from Fort Myers Beach and Sanibel Island. This is a best-selling, open-concept Marsala floor plan with 3 bedrooms and a den, 3 full bathrooms, and over 2,200 square feet under air with a heated pool and spa on a protected natural preserve. Let's go see this place. "9746 Mirada Blvd is an immaculate, perfectly maintained, newly built home that offers luxury, privacy, and an incredible Florida lifestyle. The open concept floor plan provides gorgeous view lines over the pool and the protected natural preserve behind. With over 2,200 square feet under air, this Marsala floor plan offers 3 bedrooms plus a den and 3 full bathrooms. Notable upgrades include porcelain plank tile flooring, upgraded ornamental white granite countertops, solid wood shaker-style cabinetry, crown molding, custom paint, a massive covered lanai, a large screened pool deck, and a heated pool and spa. This home has never experienced flooding from any storms, it shares an electric grid with the neighboring Health Park Hospital, and it comes equipped with hurricane protection for your peace of mind. Mirada is a quiet, gated community surrounded by endless shops, restaurants, and entertainment, and only 10 minutes from the island destinations of Fort Myers Beach and Sanibel.